If Canva is showing error 524, don't worry, this usually means the server took too long to respond, and in most cases it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix Canva error 524 quickly and safely so you can get back to designing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to do is open Canva and simply refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a quick refresh is all it takes for the page to load properly again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to wait about 2 to 5 minutes and then try again. Error 524 is often related to a server timeout, which means Canva may just need a little time before it responds normally. If the issue is still there, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make loading problems worse, even if the real issue started on Canva's side. To test this, open your browser and search for speed test. Run a quick speed test and see if your internet is stable. If your connection is slow or inconsistent, try reconnecting your Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or switching to a different network if possible. Another helpful fix is to reduce heavy tasks inside Canva. If you're working with very large videos, high-resolution images, or a design with lots of elements, Canva can sometimes struggle to load everything at once. Try closing extra tabs, simplifying the design, or waiting for the project to finish processing before editing again. Lighter projects often load much faster and are less likely to trigger timeout issues. If none of that works, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes cause pages to load incorrectly or keep old error data stuck in the browser. To clear the cache, click the browser menu in the top corner, go to Settings, then Privacy. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then click Clear. After that, close and reopen the browser, go back to Canva, and try again. If the error still appears after clearing cache, you can also try opening Canva in an Incognito window or a different browser. That can help you figure out whether the issue is caused by browser extensions, saved data, or a temporary browser glitch. In many cases, one of these quick fixes is enough to get Canva working again. So to recap, refresh Canva, wait a few minutes, test your internet speed, reduce heavy design tasks, and clear your browser cache. These are the fastest and most effective ways to fix Canva error 524 and get back to editing smoothly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.